Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are safe at home. This is K. Ravishankar, your social studies teacher, DAV School, Dr. NTTPS, Ibrahim. This is the last part of lesson 4, that is life in the northern plains. In this session, we will start with West Bengal state. Children, what is the capital of West Bengal? Yes, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is situated on the bank of the river Hooghly. Now, let us see some important cities in West Bengal. The first one, that is Durgapur. Durgapur is steel city of West Bengal. Now, let us see some information about Durgapur steel plant. Durgapur steel plant is one of the integrated steel plants of Steel Authority of India Limited, that is located in Durgapur. It was set up with the help of United Kingdom. Okay, children. So, it is one of the integrated steel plant and it was built up with the help of United Kingdom. Okay, children. Now let us see another city, that is Siliguri. It is famous for Coronation Bridge. Okay, children. So Coronation Bridge was built by the Britishers to connect West Bengal to northeast India. The bridge is built over Tisa River. Okay, children. Siliguri is also famous for tea, transport, tourism and timber. Now, let us see another city, that is Raniganj. Raniganj is famous for coal mines. Coal mining in India first started here. Okay, children. Now, let us see another city, that is Kharagpur. Okay, children. Let us see some information about Kharagpur city. Kharagpur is famous for being the first city in India to have an IIT. Okay, children. IIT means Indian Institute of Technology. It is also having the biggest railway workshop along with the longest railway platform in the whole of India. So, Kharagpur city is famous for IIT and it is also famous for railway workshop. The longest railway platform is also situated in Kharagpur. Okay, children. So here in West Bengal, agriculture is main occupation of the people. Since West Bengal has a long coastline, so fishing is another important occupation of the people. Jute, silk, textile and steel plants are the major industries that are situated in West Bengal state. Now let us see, this is Kal Baishakhi. So what is Kal Baishakhi, children? So in West Bengal state, during the summer season, small thunderstorms are occurred. So these small thunderstorms called Kal Baishakhi. Okay, children. So here in West Bengal, the climate is hot and humid. Now let us see the festivals of West Bengal state. Durga Puja is the main festival that is celebrated here. So the main language is Bengali. Now let us see the tribes. Santals, Kol, Koch, Rajbongshi and Toto tribes live here. Okay, children. Now let us see the favorite dishes. Okay children, so these are the favorite dishes that are taken by West Bengal people. So basically West Bengal people love sweets. So these are the sweets: Rasagulla, Chamcham and Sondesh. Okay children, do you understand? Men wear dhoti kurta and women wear sari. Now let us see Bengali theatre. So it is also famous in West Bengal state. Now let us see what is Bengal theatre. West Bengal has always been famous for its art and culture. Bengali theatre has made an immense contribution towards cultural events, particularly dramas. Okay children, so West Bengal state is famous for art and culture, and Bengali theatre is so famous, particularly in dramas. Now let us see another importance, that is Rabindra Sangeet. Now let us see what is Rabindra Sangeet. Rabindra Sangeet has been an integral part of Bengal culture for over a century. Rabindranath Tagore composed so many songs in Bengali language. So these are popular in West Bengal. So Rabindra Sangeet has been an integral part of Bengal culture. So Rabindranath Tagore is a great poet. He composed so many songs in Bengali language. Okay children, so this is the information about West Bengal state. Children, let us see another state, that is Assam. What is the capital of Assam? Yes, Dispur. Guwahati is the major city in Assam state. Assam state is the major producer of silk. The world's largest river island that is situated in Assam is Majuli. So this is the world's largest river island. Assam is the land of colorful festivals, rituals and fairs. So this state is the land of colorful festivals. Now let us see the festival. This is Bihu festival. The festival of Bihu is a harvest festival celebrated in Assam. This festival comes thrice a year. So Bihu festival is a harvest festival. Okay children, it comes thrice a year. Now let us see the main tribe, the Bodo tribe. The Bodo are the largest minority group in Assam. The language spoken by these people are Tibeto-Burman language. Okay children, so this is the main tribe, Bodo tribe. The main crops that are grown in Assam state are rice, jute and tea. The main language is Assami. Okay children, men wear dhoti kurta and women wear mekhala and reha. Now Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary. It is so famous in Assam state. The Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary of Assam is famous for the one-horned rhinoceros. Okay children. Now let us see the climatic conditions. Assam state receives heavy rainfall. So in this region there are so many floods are occurred. Now tea plantation. Assam is popular for tea plantation. Assam is world famous for its quality of tea. The first tea garden was established in 1837 in Assam. There are around 100 tea estates. Okay, children. So, the first tea garden that was established in 1837. Now, let us see. Cane and bamboo crafts are important occupations here. Okay, children. So, the stems of the bamboo are used for making decorative craft items. Okay, children. So, this is the information about Assam state. Thank you, children.